In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming and this English competition, reading aloud. Well, my name is Sophia Anissa. I am a pupil of elementary school. I am class 6. I live in Leicester. My hobby is studying English. My father's name is Mr. Sujata. My mother's name is Mrs. Murasya. My English teacher is Mrs. Musaidi. I like studying English because English is an international language. The study English at Golden English Community Center of America. That is all. Thank you. Goodbye.